What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making low carb orange chicken. You can bake or air fry this dish. It's wonderful and delicious. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to start with 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs or chicken breasts that have been cut into 1-inch chunks and add in 1 beaten egg. Give that a good stir. Then you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of baking powder along with salt and pepper to taste. And then go ahead and combine those ingredients. And then load that into the air fryer. I'll include instructions below on how to bake the chicken, but for the air fryer, you're going to bake it on 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes until the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And flip that chicken halfway through. For the orange sauce, take 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 to 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of sweetener, and 2 tablespoons of orange zest. Then go ahead and give that a good stir. You want to let this combine and fully mix until that sweetener has melted. Then you're going to take 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum and take 2 tablespoons of the sauce mixture. Combine that in a small bowl until it starts to thicken. And then you add that back to the sauce. This will help it thicken up. So go ahead and stir that and give it about 4 or 5 minutes to fully thicken. Then you're going to take your cooked chicken and add it back to the sauce and give that a good stir. I like to serve this over cauliflower rice.